In this question, position vectors of A, B, C and D are given, and we have to show that CD is parallel and twice of AB. Okay. Now, position vector of A is equal to vector A followed by vector B followed by vector C. Position vector of B is equal to twice of vector A followed by 5 times of vector B. Position vector of C is equal to 3 times vector A followed by 2 times vector B and followed by 3 times of negative of vector C. Position vector of D is vector A negative of 6 times of vector B and negative of vector C followed by negative of vector C. So, these are the position vectors given to us. Now, we have to show that CD is parallel and twice of AB. So, let us find first CD. Now, vector CD is equal to position vector of D minus position vector of C. Now, this is equal to D and C. On solving, we are getting this thing. Now, we can write it vector CD is equal to negative of 2 followed by 4 times vector B followed by negative of vector C. So, this is CD. Now, AB. Position vector of B minus position vector of A. Now, this is equal to A, B and A, B and A. Now, A plus B plus C, vector A plus vector B plus vector C. Now, AB is equal to now let this be equation 1 and this be 2. Now, from 1 and 2 what we are getting? Vector CD is equal to negative of 2 vector AB. Vector AB and it is also vector AB. So, therefore, CD is parallel to AB. Now, what this negative represents here? This negative represents here the direction. Okay. So, it means what is the direction for this vector? Negative of 2 with vector AB. So lines are parallel or in the opposite direction. Okay. CD is twice of AB.